Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to detect a safety helmet with the help of YOLOv5. Basically we are going to create our own custom model for YOLOv5 which detect safety helmet. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, we are going to create our own custom object detection model for YOLOv5 which detect a construction site worker safety helmet. Okay, so for that first you need to install latest OpenCV, then Thony Python ID, then YOLOv5 on Windows 11. I have already created a video how to install Thony, OpenCV and YOLOv5. Also we need here a label EMG. So how to install all these basic thing on Windows 11, I have already created a video. I will mention video link, watch video and install all these things. So I have done with all these basic things. So for today's session I have created here a repository, and the repository name is YOLOv5 safety helmet. I will mention link, copy and paste link inside the browser. Then go to the code, click on download zip, it will download our zip format folder. Okay, so now simply go here, click on show in folder. This is what our folder. So just right click, click on extract all, again click on extract, and inside that we have a text file, and inside the text file we have images for training purpose. Also we have our main video file. With the help of this video file we are going to detect our object, means we are going to detect a worker safety helmet. Okay, so this is what our Python script. Inside that I have mentioned a basic code. So first we need our images and our videos. So simple, right the click to the text file, click on open, and first link is for basically downloading our images. So open browser, paste link and just hit enter. Click on download because I have already used the link, that's why it says a save. So you can see here download. Okay, so just click on download and it will download our folder, okay, in zip format. So just go here, click on show in folder. So this is what our folder. So now just right click, click on extract all, again click on extract. That's it, we have our images. Inside that I have shared all images. If I make a large icon, as you can see we have here images. So now what we are going to do, we are going to simply move this folder inside our main folder. So just click on cut, go to the downloads, and our main folder is YOLOv5 safety helmet main, again same folder, and inside that we are going to paste our images folder. Then we need our video file. So again open our download.txt file, copy the second link which basically for downloading our video. So just open browser, open new tab, paste the link and just hit enter. Click on download. Now it will download our video in zip format. So done friends, we have successfully downloaded our video file. So just go here again, click on show in folder. This is what our zip format folder. So right click and click on extract all, click on again extract, and inside that we have our video file. So just cut and go to the downloads and our main folder which is YOLOv5 safety helmet -main, again same folder. Inside that we need to paste our video file. Simple. So now what we are going to do, we are going to train our images. So simple, we are going to open our Thony Python ID. So open Thony Python ID, and here we are going to select Python 3.9 because label EMG is not working with Python 3.10. It will give us error. So we need to change the Python version. So I have already explained all these things in previous video. As I mentioned, I will mention video link, then you will get the idea. So here we are going to select run configure interpreter, and here we are going to select Python 3.9 exe. Click on OK. So now we change our Python version inside our Thony Python ID. So again go to the tools, open system shell, and here we are going to mention label EMG command, label img. So we open our label img, open dir and downloads folder, YOLOv5 safety helmet main, again same folder, and this is what our images folder, select folder. So we select our images folder, change save folder, again go to the downloads, same folder, and again images helmet folder, click on select folder. Done. Now here we need to select YOLO, create rectangle box, and we are going to draw a rectangle box. Okay, so here we need to mention a class name, so safety hyphen helmet. Okay, safety hyphen helmet, this is what our object name. Click on save, next image, create rectangle box, and we are going to draw a rectangle box here. Click on OK, click on save. So now I am going to train all the images step by step, means I am going to draw a rectangle on our objects. Okay, so friends, we are done with training. Okay, this is what our last image, and I have drawn a rectangle. Simple. So now we are going to close our label EMG software, close the CMD shell, and we are going to change again our Python version with our by default version. So go to the run config interpreter, and here we are going to select the first option, which is by default Python 3.10.6. okay, so we have done. Now what we want to do, minimize just Tony and open file manager and downloads folder, and this is what our main folder, YOLOv5 safety helmet main, same folder, and this is what our images helmet folder. Inside that we have, as you can see, we have our data and we have our images. Okay, so now what we are going to do, if I make here a small icons, okay, then as you can see, classes and all training data and text format, and this is what our images. Simple. Now we are going to create a new folder, a data folder, and inside that we are going to create images and labels, and inside images and labels we are going to create again new two folder, which is training and validation. So let's just go outside. So we are now basically inside YOLOv5 safety helmet hyphen main. This is what our main folder, where we have our images helmet folder. So here we are going to create our new folder, create new, and click on folder and mention the name data. Okay, and inside that again we are going to create a new folder, which is images. Okay, first folder, and again second folder, which is labels. Okay, so now go inside images, and here we are going to create again new two folder. So first one is basically training, and the second one is validation. Same way, inside data, labels, here we need to again create a two folder. So first one is training, and second one is validation. Okay, so we create a folder inside our main folder, which is YOLOv5 safety helmet hyphen main. So inside YOLOv5 safety helmet hyphen main, we create a data folder. Inside that we create labels folder, images folder. Inside that we create validation and training folder. Same way for labels, training and validation. Now what we want to do, we want to copy and paste all the data from our images helmet to our data, images, labels, training, validation. Okay, so just press Ctrl A and copy all things. Go here, YOLOv5 safety main helmet, and we have our data folder, images folder, training folder. Just paste all the things, paste it. Then again go to the images, inside validation, paste all things. Okay, then again go to the data, now labels, training, paste all things. Okay, then again labels, validation, paste all the things. Okay, so we successfully copy paste all the data inside data, labels, validation. Okay, then data, labels, training. Okay, then data, images, validation, then data, training, and all the things we copy. Okay, so now what we want to do, we want to create a zip folder format for data. So right click, WinRAR, add to archive, click on zip, click on OK, and now it will create a zip format folder. Okay, so now what we want to do, we want to simply move our data folder on our Google Drive. So friends, I have opened Google Drive. So right click on file upload, and we are going to upload our zip format folder. So data, click on open. Now it's uploading our data.zip file on our Google Drive. So meanwhile, we are going to open our Google Colab, and here we are going to close all my old sessions. So just click on yes, and now we are going to upload our file. So click on choose file, again go to the downloads, in folder YOLOv5 safety helmet -main, again same folder, and inside that we have our Google Colab file. Okay, so click on open. So it's now uploading our Google Colab training file on our Google Colab. So now what we want to do, we want to go inside runtime, then change runtime type. Here we are going to select GPU, click on save, then click on connect. So friends, we successfully connected. Now if I go here on Google Drive, so we successfully upload our data.zip. So we have done. Now we are going to simply run our code one by one on our Google Colab. So first we need to install YOLOv5. So just run first code. Done. Now scroll down, and now we are going to connect with our Google Drive. So click on second code, connect to Google Drive. We need to give permission, so select Gmail ID, scroll down, click on allow. Now it will mount our Google Drive on our Google Colab. Scroll down, just click on unzip. It will unzip all our images. So done. Now we need to click on here folder, then YOLOv5 train, then YOLOv5, and we are going to mention our classes name inside our dataset YML. So just double click and it will open dataset YML like this way here. This is what our dataset YML. So here we are going to mention our new class name. So let's just mention like this way. Okay, safety helmet. Okay, safety helmet, and here also I am going to mention safety helmet. Okay, safety helmet. Then just hit enter and press Ctrl S. It will save our dataset YML. Done. Now we are going to simply run our last code, which will create our model. So just scroll down, and this is what our last code. Just click on here. So friends, as you can see, it started our training 0/99, so it will take some time. Meanwhile, I will pause video. So friends, we have completed our training process, and now our model is saved inside runs train exp folder. Remember one thing here, it will take little bit more time. Okay, so just wait for completing our model creating process. Okay, so we have completed our process. Now go here, YOLOv5 train, YOLOv5 folder, and as they mentioned, runs folder. So we have here runs folder, then train folder, then exp, then we have weights, and we have here base.pt. This is what our custom model. So we are going to download our model. So just click here, click on download. Now it will download our base.pt. So friends, we have downloaded our model, as you can see, base.pt. So just click here, show in folder, and this is what our model. So we need to move our model inside our folder. So just right click, cut, and this is what our folder, YOLOv5 save helmet -main, again same folder, and inside that we are going to save our model. So just click here. So we successfully save our model. Now what we are going to do, first we are going to close our browser. Okay, now we are going to open our main.py with the help of Thony Python ID. So go here, then Tony. Go to the file, click on open, and then downloads and our folder, which is YOLOv5 safety helmet -main, again same folder, and our main.py. Click on OK. Okay, so now first what we want to do, we are going to use our custom model. So for that I have mentioned here custom, and then we need to mention the path. So this is the path variable, so we want to mention the path for our base.pt. Okay, so we are going to create here a variable path is equal to, in single quote, we are going to copy our path. So what we are going to do, we are going to open our file manager and then downloads and our folder, which is YOLOv5 safety helmet main, and here we have our base.pt. so we are going to copy the path. So just click here, and so this is what our path. So copy it, open Tony Python ID, and here we are going to paste the path. Okay, just a minute. So it's not basically copy, so again we are going to go here, copy, and open Tony Python ID, and here we are going to paste. So we have copied the path, so we need to remove if we have here double quote. So again we are going to mention like this way. So this is the path. So now here what we want to do, we want to change this slash. Okay, so we are going to change this slash with forward slash. Okay, so let's mention here forward slash. This is what backslash, so we are going to change the backslash with forward slash. Just change it, and here also. Okay, and at the end we are going to mention our model name, so which is base.pt. Okay, and here cap is equal to c2.video capture. We need to mention our video file name. So our video file name is basically inside our YOLOv5 safety helmet main. Our video file name is helmet. Okay, so we are going to mention helmet.mp4 in single quote, helmet.mp4. okay, so it will start our video file. It will not detect our helmet because we want to call our model, but we are going to just check our video file is perfectly working or not. So just save it, and if I run the code, and as you can see, this is what our video file. Okay, we have here a construction site, the worker are working, and they wear helmet, the safety helmet. Here it is, we have helmet. Okay, so our video is perfectly working, our basic code is ready. Now we are going to call our model. Okay, so let's just call our model. After where we resize our frame, here we are going to mention results is equal to our model variable, okay, this one, which represent our custom model. So results is equal to model. Inside that we need to pass our frame, simple, and then we are going to mention frame. Again, frame is equal to np.squeeze, and inside that we are going to mention results.render, like this way. Simple, that's it. So if I save the code and if I run the code, and now as you can see friends, our model is perfectly working. It's detecting a safety helmet. Okay, it's detecting safety helmet. Here also we have two safety helmets. As you can see, is still detecting the helmet, safety helmet. Here also we have three safety helmets. Here also we have two safety helmets. So friends, as you can see, we create our own custom model with our data, with our images, okay, and we successfully detect a safety helmet. Of course, you can use your own images for this project also, okay. So I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.